Hi Beshawaps! Riegil here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, tong video na to is I think challenge yata tong video na to. And siguro nakita niyo din naman sa title above na this video is going to be doing my makeup in alphabetical order. That's crazy. How am I supposed to do my makeup routine? Ayun, may nag-request nito. May nag-comment doon and bigyan ko lang siya ng shoutout because siya pong nakaisip on this kind of video. So, comment doon si Elijah de Guya Go. Tapos sabi niya doon, Ate Riegil, request ako sa next vlog mo doing my makeup in alphabetical order. Pa-shoutout na rin sa next vlog. So yun, shoutout to you Elijah. And yun, ito na nga yun. Gagawin natin yung request mo Elijah, which is the doing my makeup in alphabetical order. And to be honest guys, this challenge is kind of crazy kasi ang hirap talaga eh. Like, foundation starts with letter F. So, it means you'll be putting foundation sa medyo malayo na. Like, di ba kasi ako, nanonood talaga kayo ng video and video ko, foundation talaga yung una ko. Minsan eyeshadow, pero foundation talaga yung usually na ginagawa ko. So, medyo kinakabahan ako na-excite. So, ayun guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe and to be part of my family. Comment down below any video suggestion, like this video, share this video to your friends, and let's get on to the video. So, ayun guys, I guess we're gonna start. And naglagay ako sa phone ko ng mga things kung ano yung unahin ko para di na din ako malito. So, nilagay ko notes sa aking phone. So, for the first product na nilalagay ko sa aking face is, it starts with letter B, which is blush. Zoom ko lang kayo. So, we're gonna start off with letter B, which is blush. The blush, I'll be using Blight Face Palette in the shade 311 Eclipse. And yung kukunin ko dito is this one, yung tong blush. So, ito yung gagamitin natin for our blush today. Siya. Kasi, mabablad ko siya. And, oh my god, yawan ko guys. Pero blush agad. Siguro everyday lang, okay to. Pero if gonna put foundation later on, oh geez. Bronze my face using this Caroline contour stick, which is a bronzer. Bronze lang natin tong ating face. So, forehead, sa aking nose, sa aking jaw, and ayan. So, letter C, which is the concealer. So, gagamitin ko concealer for today is the Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium. Ko-conceal natin yung ating face and eye bags. Yung blemishes. Let's proceed to the next one, which is eyebrow. So, kikilay tayo for today. It's from Nichido. Mura lang to guys. And ito gagamitin ko for today. And what I'm gonna do is slightly put the kakailangan. Light na cream. Thing na nakasulat sa akin is to put eyelashes. So, nilagyan lang ng lashes and I'll be back. So, yun guys, I already put my false eyelashes and nitsura ko. Wala pang eyeshadow yan, pero may false eyelashes na. So, ang next na nakasulat dito is I'll be doing my eyeliner. Next na gagawin natin is gawa na tayo ng eyeshadow. So, ayan na, no? May eyeliner na tayo, may falsies. Now, let's proceed to our eyeshadow. Gamitin kong eyeshadow palette today is from Vice Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, Yam Beauty 21. So, this one, itong shade na to. And, lalagyan natin sa ating ay, hindi na siya darkest. Medyo parang chocolate shade siya. Pink na shimmery na to. And nilagay natin siya sa center ng ating eyes. Which is F for foundation. And Matte Plus Poreless Fit Me Foundation from Maybelline. And maglalagay lang tayo sa ating face ng foundation. So, tingin ko lalagyan ko na lang yung mga parts na kailangan ko palagyan. Kasi ayokong takpan yung contour natin kasi baka mamaya wala na tayong contour. So, dito ko na lang siya nalagay. So, ayan, OMG, maganda siya. Highlighter. And highlighter tayo agad. Gagamitin ko tong Balm Cosmetics and gamitin natin tong shade na Edge. And highlight natin yung high points ng ating face. Highlight agad tayo, ma'am. Wala nang bat dyan. Highlight agad. Let's now proceed to letter L, lipstick. So, ang lipstick ko for today is itong Nude Nuance ng Maybelline. Hindi ko na nalalagay lahat. Ipinto ko lang. So, yeah, may lipstick na tayo. Okay, oh my God, magmamaskara na tayo. Oh, thank God. So, mamaskara na tayo. And yung mascara na gamitin ko is this one. Lash Sensational na mascara. Yes, much better. Okay, nagpa-powder na tayo. Oh my God! Hi, powder, I miss you. Super lapit na ako sa press lock. So, for the powder, gamitin ko itong Maybelline New York Clear Smooth All-in-One. And, magsaset na tayo, finally. After all this time, ngayon pa lang tayo magsaset. na tayo mag-powder. And for the last one, ngayon lang tayo magpa-primer sa buong look natin. Ngayon pala tayo magpa-primer. So, nalagay tayo ng primer. Ayan guys, totoo yan. Nalagay talaga ako ng primer. Oh my God. So, primer natin. OMG, super weird ng feeling. So here it is guys, the final look of doing my makeup in alphabetical order. Oh my God guys, this challenge is a great experience for me. Kasi like, girl, nahuli yung primer and di ko na-expect na gato kaganda yung kakalabasan. Talagang, it depends naman if you really know how to do your makeup. Like, katulad ko, gamay ko na din kasi yung mukha ko. Siguro, kaya it's a big advantage for me. Kasi nga, alam ko na naman yung paikot-ikot ng mukha ko. Guys, ito na yung final look. Natuwa ko. So, yun. A big shoutout to you, Elijah. I really love this kind of challenge. So, yun. I'm overwhelmed. Kasi maganda yung final look. And gusto ko naman tong ganitong challenge. So, yun guys. If kagaya nyo si Elijah na mayroon kayong mga video suggestion, just comment down below. Huwag kayong mahiya mag-comment down below kasi itatry ko siya. Lalo na nag-extend nga yung lockdown hanggang April 30 tayo. So, talaga wala akong iba gawin kundi mag-video. So, yun guys. If meron kayong suggestion or recommendations ng mga video, challenges, makeup, anything, just comment down below. Huwag kayong mahiya. And yeah guys, thank you for watching, and yun, road to 30,000 subscribers na tayo, and I hope mas dumami pa tayo soon. So yan guys, in my next video, bye!